Alright, today, drift car getting some love. Getting some brand new spanking new bucket seats, as well as the roll cage. So, firstly, we get rid of these crappy old bucket seats that are just pretty average. And replace them with these bad boys. And then I'll get the seat position right and start mocking up the roll cage a bit. I was a little concerned about these brackets because they were pretty cheap, but all the bolts line up, which is excellent. Alright, got the seats back out and started mocking up the roll cage bit here. I just got it tacked in for now. Well, not everywhere, but getting an idea for where all the plates and stuff are going. Put some plates for those as well. But yeah, I'll get it all welded up, and it's removable with these slip joints. So I got it welded up. I can make a cut here, so I can take it out, get it painted, throw the seats back in. It's gonna look nice. Alright, just going to hit it with some sandpaper and give it a clean, and it'll be ready for some primer. I'm not going too crazy, just using whatever sandpaper I got. I got some 400 or 420, that's 600. I don't need 600, but I might have to resort to that, but it's whatever. It's not a show car, so I don't really care if the paint's a little average, but yeah. Alright, so this is the colour we're rocking with. All done. Not the worst paint job ever. I did, however, forget that my camera existed and started installing it. And in that process, did put a wee little scratch in it, but I'll touch that up once it's all done. Yeah, it looks pretty good so far. Like, I'm pretty happy with this colour, especially from a rattle can. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Before I get a video of it in daylight, so it actually looks a bit better. Yeah, this is it, fully installed, bolted in, don't have to do anything else. Chairs are in, looking schmick. very, very happy with how it came out. I did have to take the door cards out because they were hitting there, but I thought, you know what, I'm taking the front ones out, take the back ones out as well. This is my current door handle situation. Might have to do something about that to make it easier and not just a cable. Might have to make a bracket for that of some sort, but yeah. Just currently working on this little crash bar as well. A bit more welding. Now we're getting somewhere with that. Don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of piecing it together. So show you how that turns out when that's done as well. Yeah, pretty happy with how she's looking. Definitely not far off actually getting to a track day now.